Hey everyone, today I'm diving into one of the most powerful stories ever told, Jesus' journey from betrayal to resurrection. Ready? Let's go. First up, the betrayal. Imagine this. Jesus, a man preaching love and kindness, is betrayed by one of his closest friends, Judas. For 30 pieces of silver, Judas leads the authorities to arrest Jesus while he's praying in the Garden of Gethsemane. Next, Jesus faces trial. He's brought before the high priest and then Pontius Pilate, the Roman governor. Despite finding no fault in him, Pilate gives in to the crowd's demands and orders Jesus' crucifixion. Now picture this, Jesus carrying his cross through the streets to Golgotha. He's nailed to the cross and left to hang for hours with only a few loyal followers, including his mother, by his side. As his life ebbs away, Jesus utters, "It is finished." His lifeless body is taken down, wrapped in linen, and placed in a tomb sealed with a massive stone. Guards are posted to ensure no one disturbs it. But here's the twist. 3 days later, the tomb is empty. An angel announces that Jesus has risen. He appears to his disciples and many others, sharing final teachings before ascending to heaven. Let's not forget the miracles and teachings that drew people to Jesus in the first place. From turning water into wine to healing the sick, his acts of love and kindness challenged and inspired many. This story isn't just about miracles and divine events, it's about the triumph of love and hope over betrayal and death. It's a cornerstone of faith for millions around the world. So there you have it, folks, the journey of Jesus from betrayal to resurrection. It's a story that continues to inspire and uplift, reminding us of the power of love and the promise of hope. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating stories. Unity Light Network with Dr. N. Jerome, a global media presentation of Unity Light Publishing, Washington, D.C. Copyright 2025, all rights reserved. Thanks for watching and see you next time.